Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. My name is Shelly and today I'm going to do 2 subscription unboxings. These are, right now I currently have 4 subscriptions. I have FabFitFun, which is seasonal. I have BarkBox for my dogs. I have 2 Huskies. I have Boxycharm Base. I used to get all 3 Boxycharms. I cut back to just Base. And AIA. And I think I just canceled AIA. If you are interested in a boxing, I believe these are June's boxes. It doesn't say, but I think these are June's boxes. I don't see anything on here. Oh wait, I did get them the first week in June. Sorry. It's the schedule. And I think I wasn't like super inspired by the AIA, and that's probably no. I think I canceled it last month. Let's get into it. I think I skipped a month with Boxy and didn't film with it. I was just kind of bored. Are you guys still on subscription boxes? Do you guys care about these videos at all, or is it time to move on? Because I'm kind of right there. You guys tell me what you think. So this is the American Influencer Award box. My battery's going dead. Okay, we're back. Sorry, the distraction of the batteries. You know, at least this camera, this is camera G7X, not the most recent Canon G7 variety or G variety, but this is a G7X. I got it a couple years ago, and I don't have any problems with this overheating. I do have other problems with the camera, in case you've ever seen it in my earlier videos, but I feel like I've got most of the settings dialed in right now, I hope. Anyway, I have another GoPro camera, but it's a little bit more challenging to use, especially for things like YouTube. So I've been using it for my husband's band, and it overheats. And I hear videos where people are like, oh yeah, my camera just overheated. I don't ever have that problem with this camera. Trade-offs, I guess. I don't know. All right, you guys. So this, we're going to talk about 2 different unboxings. This one's going to be the AIA American Influencer Awards. This is a monthly service and a monthly subscription box. I'll tell you what I don't like about it. I don't like that I don't get to choose something that goes in it, and I never know who the brand is or whether or not I'm even remotely interested in the brand. And they tend to do things that are like one brand. So let's take a look at this one. This one is, it says Lurella on it, like Cruella, but it's Lurella. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This has 9 full-size products in it, and it didn't cost me any more. So let's just see. Let's just see what we have in here. Okay, the first thing that's right on top is a pair of, it says cutting you off. These are scissors. I'm guessing you can use these if you're going to trim eyelashes. Trim your favorite falsies to the right length with our new lash scissors. The beauty tool features a point tip for precise trimming and a clean cut. Made out of stainless steel, this is a must-have for any lash lover. I'm not a lash lover, but I'll keep this in my drawer with my other lashes. It looks like the MSRP on that is $8. All right. Then we have, I'm sensing a theme here. This is, I tend to lash out. I think this is a eyelash applicator. The one that's in the card is actually gold, and the one they gave me is black. Neither here nor there, just pointing it out to you. It says lash applicator, must have tool to go along with your lashes. Get the perfect alignment when applying false lashes with our lash applicator. Durable stainless steel design, allows you can take it anywhere on the go without the worry of breaking it. It's time to lash out. I feel like they lost some words or something. $7 MSRP, no retail value on that one. I had to dig for it, but I knew it was going to be in here. Here's a set of lashes. I don't wear a lot of lashes. These ones are really, really full and are kind of off their display here. I don't know if you can see it with a glare because it's a reflective background. There's a lot going on with those lashes. Okay, so it says 3D synthetic eyelash. With the countless styles representing places all around the world, our satisfaction of high-quality synthetic eyelashes today will become your new must-haves. Our 3D synthetic lashes are easy to apply and come in various styles to match your favorite look. I don't know why they chose these ones for me. I would have done some more like natural wispies instead of these caterpillar looking lashes. My daughter has lash extensions and they look a little heavy sometimes. Guys, did I mention I just canceled these guys? I'm so sorry. I don't mean to be hating on these. I really don't. I'm just not super impressed. Okay, but we do have a facial exfoliator. Exfoliate, massage, and cleanse all at once. When paired with your favorite cleanser, this dual-sided scrubber will gently and deeply cleanse your pores. I think there's a thing about over scrubbing, isn't there? This has a weird, it's like part of it was sealed, but then part of it wasn't. I didn't have to break a seal to get into it. That has me a little nervous. Okay, this is so weird. Someone put a cellophane wrapper on this. There's a scrubber. Little nubbins on one side and another scrubber thing on the other. Should I try this? I'm a little nervous. Exfoliate, massage, and cleanse all at once. When paired with your favorite cleanser, this dual-sided scrubber will gently and deeply cleanse your pores. I'm a little nervous. I don't mind doing a little bit of a exfoliating type cleanser like in the shower, but I'm not normally someone who does a lot of heavy exfoliating, mainly because I don't know how to get this thing back in here. Mainly because I think I worry about it. This doesn't really want to close. I'm worried about it like stripping too many oils or maybe even causing damage. Now it feels soft, so I guess that's a good thing. The retail value on it's $5. Right now this all seems very cheap, very cheap stuff. There is a neon brush set. It's pink in the card, but this one is blue and it says Lorella on it. And it does come with a set of brushes. So that's kind of fun if the brushes are good quality. Let me just peel one of these bad boys back here. I'm guessing synthetic. Yeah, but they feel soft. Okay. And the handles are kind of fun. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 brushes. All right, 10 brush set and a pouch. So it says neon brush set. Pair your favorite cream and powder products with these perfectly soft and high quality brushes. This classy 10-piece set includes 5 face brushes and 5 detail brushes that will suit your every makeup need and even your vanity or countertop. Convenient travel bag included. Wait, let me read this again because I feel like I'm missing some words again. Pair your favorite cream and powder products with these perfectly soft and high quality brushes. This classy, air quotes, classy 10-piece set includes 5 fave brushes and 5 detail brushes that will suit your everyday need and even your vanity or countertop. I'm missing a word. Something's lost in translation. I feel like maybe this wasn't written by somebody in English. Do you just get that feeling like maybe English isn't their first language? Okay, so we've got 3 what looks like face brushes and a handful of additional eyeshadow brushes. That might be out like a highlighter brush. So yeah, I mean, the set is cute. Would I call it classy? I don't know. I do like that it's there's a nice case. I can't fit much more into this case than the brushes. So it's not like I would use this exclusively as a makeup travel bag, unless I'm going with some small stuff. Like maybe the Pat McGrath little palette would fit in here. And a couple other things. Maybe stacks? If you're gonna do stack makeup? I don't know. I'm a little disappointed. MSRP on that though, $30 is the retail value on that. Okay, a couple more things in here. One of them is a highlighter, my least favorite cosmetic thing to try. This is the box. Mike is the first ingredient listed. That's not good. I probably shouldn't even open this. I probably should just stick it in a box to donate. Speaking of which, all of my, in case you guys were at all curious, all of this stuff that I decluttered, my son has some high school age girlfriends that were giddy over it. So if any of you ladies are watching this, thank you so much. I feel much better knowing that they're going to somebody who can be creative and have fun and hopefully get some use out of them. Okay, so this is I guess it's a highlighter. It's called Bougie. I don't know. They're trying really hard. I feel like if you have to tell you that they're classy and bougie, then is it really? The package feels nice. It says Lorella on it. And that's a highlighter, pretty rose gold. Oh, it feels soft. Okay. It doesn't seem to be giving me any kind of gray cast. All right. Well, I'll give this a try. We'll see. It's the one makeup product that I probably skip more than anything else. But if it's the same price of all the rest of the stuff, it's not very expensive. Okay, so this highlighter, the moment you've been waiting for is finally here. Get your glow on with our highlighter. These, I should show you this. I'll hold it up here. These creamy, super pigmented and gorgeously glowing highlighters are a must-have for every babe, but with colors ranging from warm golds to cool frost, you'll glow no matter the occasion. There's no range of this that I received. It's literally one color, $12 MSRP. And then we've got glue. No. That's not glue. Hold on. Hold please. Oh, here we go. This must be the glue. Yeah. Latex-free black everlasting eyelash glue. So you get black eyelash glue. Shades and styles can vary. Flaunt those beautiful falsies with confidence using our everlasting eyelash glue. Its precision brush wand allows for easy and mess-free application. Our fast-drying formula is latex-free and long-lasting, so your falsies will stay on securely all day long. That's the package. About what you'd expect for an eyelash glue. Okay, let's put a little swipe of this on here. It's a black liquid liner that's apparently also glue. I guess that's, that might be something I would look for if I were somebody who would wear eyelashes on a regular basis. 2 more products in this. This is a large box for something I'm not sure I love. Okay, so this must be a lip product. This is the liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna try to peel this one back. Let's look, shall we? All right, same rose gold box as the highlighter. Not a lot of consistency with the packaging, I'm finding. This should happen to all be the same brand. Okay, that's the lip color. looks like a liquid lipstick here. Let's swatch it. Swatch it right here. It's pretty. It's kind of a rose color. I would call it rose pink. Shade name appears to be Sweet Pea. Okay. So what does this say about this liquid lipstick? It says, get ready to show off our popular matte liquid lipsticks. This velvety lipstick is highly pigmented and beautifully coats your lips with a lightweight texture. Its long-lasting formula provides smudge-free resistant wear that will last for hours. Pucker up and show them what you got. $10 MSRP for a liquid lip. All right, there's one more thing in here. Palette. Generally, I like palettes, so let's look here. This one has, it's multiple wrapped for protection, so I'm hoping it means that it's shown up in one piece. So this one is the Va Va Voom eyeshadow. This is Va Va Voom Lorella. I don't know that I'm loving the artwork on it. It's got some little like can pole dancer type thing on it. So, I mean, that's literally like a showgirl, right? Let's see if the palette matches the showgirl vibe. I like the brown. Cardboard package, does have a mirror in it, got a protective sleeve, and that's the palette. So we have a couple grays, we've got a couple pinks, we've got a nude neutral. I'm just looking to see if it looks like it's been swatched, and it has not. And then the darkest shade is this burgundy color called Opera House. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about the quality or anything else. First ingredient is mica. Pressed pigments. First ingredient is mica. Glitter, made in China. 12-month shelf life. I don't see any leaping bunnies on this or anything that indicates that it is cruelty-free or any of those things. I'm thinking I might skip this whole thing. This whole box might get donated. So this one says, Va Va Voom eyeshadow palette. Get ready to take center stage with our new 18-color eyeshadow palette. Va Va Voom features matte and shimmer shades and light berries, cool nudes, and muted gray tones. Steal a show with a flirty glam or spice up your more intense looks. MSRP is $26. So we've got Showgirls, which the palette doesn't necessarily scream Showgirl-esque. Maybe thinking more drag makeup than that. It seemed like a pretty subdued palette. I was expecting it to be a lot more colorful. Nothing smells like vanilla in here. Anyway, the exfoliator is kind of strange. The eyelashes, that goes along with the whole exotic dancer theme. Black eyeliner, okay. The lipstick seemed kind of pretty. I don't know. The highlighter actually surprisingly interested me more than anything else. The brushes, I don't know why I would call them clashy. Clashy and bougie. And then we've got Showgirls. You guys, I'm so sorry. I don't mean to be such a downer on this. I don't mean the shade that's coming across in this, but I think this is the last box I'm getting from these guys because I think I canceled after the last time. Do you guys still get AIA? I hope you, I'm just not gonna say anything more. Okay, there's my AIA box for the month of June. Let's get into Boxy. Let's see what Boxy did. Don't fail me now, Boxycharm. Another monthly subscription service. Do we have a theme? Express yourself. I'm guessing that's a Pride thing right here. Ooh, I've got a Viseart bronzer though. I like Viseart. These little petite palettes are so crazy. Oh, bronzer's pretty. Yeah, I think I can use that. Yay. Okay, yay for Viseart. Does it tell us how much the Viseart bronzer is? $30. This little guy, $30. More than the whole eyeshadow palette from the other brand. That's more than the box. The box are like 25, 27, something like that, and some tax or shipping or whatever. BV, Beauty Vault eyeliner. Let's see what this one says. Highly pigmented liquid eyeliner. MSRP is $18. This just feels so much classier already. I don't know why. Viseart would make it classier. Okay, so that's the eyeliner. It feels like a couple other brands, maybe have the same packaging. I'm gonna swatch it right next to the, ooh, super fine point. That's swatched, and you guys, you're too far away. I swatched it right next to the lash glue from the other one. I would wear that. So the bronzer is $30, the eyeliner is, yeah, the bronzer is $30, the eyeliner is $18. We also have a backlit primer. This is from Dr. Brand, good brand. Formulated to fade out your biggest beauty boundaries such as fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. Antioxidant rich formula gently blends into the skin, providing a smoother appearance and prolonging the wear of makeup. $38 MSRP, this is a new launch. So I'm excited to try this. I wear primer just about every day, especially ones that are like pore filling or pore minimizing. Okay, Too Faced Lip Injection. Oh, I'm a little bit scared. This is the Lip Injection Maximum Plump. Is this the one that hurts? I don't know if I want to use this one. Too Faced is the #1 lip gloss brand in America. Are you ready for the ultimate plumping experience? Too Faced pushed limits to the max with Lip Injection Maximum Plump. You'll see and feel results instantly. Tap the product cap with your phone to learn more about Too Faced. That's interesting. 32 MSRP. Makeup sales 12 months ending February 2022. I don't know what that means. Anyway. Oh, they must have done a survey or something, and that was when it ended. I'm a little scared. Is this colored or is this clear? Oh, it's clear. Is this gonna hurt? It smells good, a little fruity. I don't know. I can't try this on right now, you guys. I'm already having a day with that whole AIA thing that I'm so disappointed in. I can't risk it. I will try it. You guys tell me before I try it. Will you tell me, is that the one that hurts? Because the other one is like the Soap and Glory one. That one feels like bee stings. I think that one is the one that also hurts. I don't know. I'm excited about this one too. This is a Violet Voss Sun-Kissed palette. This one says achieve the most iconic summer looks year-round. Achieve the most iconic summer looks year-round. With universally flattering warm neutrals from sunny golds to blazing hot rose golds. Experience exquisite formula from ultra-smooth mattes to dazzling metallics that layer and blend seamlessly with one another. MSRP is $37. Let's just see. I don't have this one already. I have a couple other Violet Voss palettes, but not this one. All right. Package, pink, cardboard, palette. Looks a little like a Sigma palette, doesn't it? Hold on. That's it. Yellows and pinks. Gold and pink. Okay, you know, I mean, the shade ranges from Sandbar Sun-Kissed Sensation, Gold Coast Heatwave Glow On, Cool Down, Sunny's Out, Very Hot, and Tan Lines. There, you've got two shades that can basically be used as a transition, a marigold shade and a pink shade. You've got one other matte to smoke things out, and there's it seems very shimmer heavy, but it's really half and half, right? No, it's 60-40, right? We've got 4 mattes and 6 shimmers. It's a little shimmer heavy for me. I've got shimmer on today and it's fine. All right, let me do the full math on both of these just so we can tell you. I can tell you that in the Battle of the Boxes, in my opinion, Boxycharm won hands down this month, no doubt about it. You guys let me know if you want me to keep coming back and doing these. If you want me to come back and do looks with this Viseart, or not Viseart, but the Violet Voss palette, let me know. I'd be happy to. Okay, so we've got 32 for the lip gloss, 37 for the eyeshadow palette, 38 for the primer, 30 for the bronzer, and 18 for the eyeliner. Gives us $155 MSRP. It felt like it was more than that as I was adding it up. So, but these are $27, I think, is what the monthly is on this. They went up a little bit this year. It just comes out automatically from my account. I get a charge at the beginning of the month and I'm like, oh, okay. But I still love the add-ons. The add-ons are where it's at. I don't think I ordered any add-ons this month, or if I did, they came separately. Let's do the math on the AIA one just because I think that the AIA one is actually a little bit more per month. I think I mean, obviously you got more products, but some of these products, hi Zeus, some of these products I would never actually even use, I don't think. So 26 for the palette, 5 for the face scrubber, 6 for the eyelashes, 7 for the eyelash applicator, 8 for the eyelash scissors, 30 for the brushes, 12 for the highlighter, 9 for the glue liner, and 10 for the lipstick. $113. $113, and I think probably the thing that I'm most excited about maybe is the brushes. Although the highlighter was kind of interesting. There's a winner. There's a winner for me. I hope you guys found this video interesting. If you want me to come back and play with either of those palettes, let me know. Frankly, I'm probably gonna gift the whatever, the one that came in the AIA, the Lorella palette. I'm gonna probably gift that and not even swatch it or use it. So don't ask for that one because frankly, I'm just not interested. And without it being cruelty-free, I don't know. Not everything I use is cruelty-free, but if I have a choice, then I'm definitely gonna do that. All right, you guys, I hope you're doing really well. I hope you found this even remotely interesting. Leave me a comment, tell me, Shelly, stop, nobody wants to see those, or yeah, actually I am still interested, and do full faces, or try on the products when you get it. Give me some feedback, one way or the other. I love you guys, I hope you're doing really well, and until my next video, bye for now.